Everybody, this is Nick on Control Nick, and today I'm going to teach you about drop-down lists. Drop-down lists are probably one of the most essential tools that you can use in Excel. It's going to really improve your Excel game and professionalize the workbooks and the worksheets that you're in. Let's head over to the workbook so I can show you how a drop-down list can be created. All right, so we're in the example workbook, and as you can see, we have three different lists sitting in here. The reason I have three lists is just to give you some variety and go through a couple rationales as we go through how do drop-down lists actually work in Excel. For the first list, we're going to do column B, which are different month names. We just have January through December, so all 12 months, and we want to make that a drop-down list. So what you want to do to start your drop-down list is go into the Data tab in Excel, and then over to the right, you'll see an option called Data Validation. You just click that. In settings, it's going to be defaulted as that's the first option there. Under allow, you're going to select the drop-down list, and the fourth option is list. You select list, and you don't need to look at ignore blank or in cell drop-down. You can always work with those later, but we're just going to focus on the default settings, with those being both checked. So now you need to select the source, and the source is going to be all the different options that you want to put in this drop-down list. I'm going to select into source, and then I'm just going to drag down January through December, and you'll see that array pulls for you automatically. Once you have the full source array, you select OK, and you'll notice in B3, you have the full list of options for the months. As simple as that. It's seriously super quick to do. Let's do it again in list 2 under column D. So now you have a name list, and you'll notice that there's a couple repeat values in this name list. So what's really cool about dropdowns is it's only going to pull the unique values in your dropdown list. What you first want to do is select where you want the dropdown to be in D3. That's at least the reference we'll use. Go back to Data, Data Validation. Again, it's going to default to settings. We're going to select list, and the source is going to be this name list here. Click OK. And if I select the drop down here, you'll notice there's only one gym showing in here, although you have a full list with 3 gyms showing. So again, it's only going to show unique values, which is super convenient to have, especially because if you're using XLOOKUP functions and index match functions, which it makes it really easy as a tool to use. So as you'll notice, I'm just going to select gym for list 2. Now in column F, you then have years. So again, it's going to be repeat values. 2019 shows up 3 times, 2020 shows up twice, and so forth. So it's going to be the exact same setup. We're going to select F3. That's where we want the dropdown to be. You select under data, data validation, underneath settings, select the dropdown, select list, again being the 4th option. And you just want to use the source being start of 2019 through 2025. Click OK, and there you have it. You have your drop-down list. It's super simple and easy to use, and it is so versatile how you can combine drop-down lists to make XLOOKUP and index match functions super easy. Thank you again for watching. It was a fairly quick video, but I hope you can notice how easy it is to actually create a drop-down list in Excel. As always, please like and subscribe if you found the content relevant, and consider checking out other videos I've created, especially the 2 that I have popping up here that I believe are relevant based off of dropdowns. Thanks again and have a great day.